In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your X account private. Now, making your X account private will essentially mean that any of your tweets that you post won't be shown to people who aren't following you, so it's a great way if you just want to share your X profile with friends and family. So anyway, what you've got to do is go to your profile icon. So to do that, go to your profile icon in the top left-hand corner, and then you want to go to Settings and Support. So click on that, then go to Settings and Privacy. Now you need to go to Privacy and Safety, so it's going to be the fifth one down. Click on that and then go to Audience and Tagging. Now once you're on Audience and Tagging, you should then get some options here to protect your posts and your videos. Now if you select here Protect your posts, only your posts will be shown to only your friends, right? If you want to also protect your videos from not being downloaded, you can go ahead and check this box as well. So those are two buttons that you can turn on, which is going to private your account. I hope that video did help you out.